capitalists from countries like India to be integrated with the globalization or internationalization of capital. Now they are part of the internationalization of production and internationalization of capital. That is why Adani, even though India is a lackey of US imperialism, you know why I am calling a lackey, Modi regime. Even poor countries like Colombia, Latin American countries resisted when the Trump government decided to put these immigrants, illegal immigrants, into shackles, their hands and legs, women, children, ropes on their waist and legs, putting them in military plane. Latin American countries opposed. We are not agreeing that we will send our flight. So Colombia, a poor country, sent its flight for deporting their nationals, immigrants, illegal, undocumented immigrants from USA. Many Latin America, Brazil, Mexico, what Modi did? It is standard operating procedure. That is the reply given to Parliament. You have heard. The official explanation given by Modi government to Indian Parliament is it is standard operating procedure. Standard operating procedure. That is putting immigrants in military planes. Never in history, you can check. Never in history this has taken place. For the first time in world history. It is intimidating a country. When you are sending a military plane, it is a challenge, it is an intimidation. It is a questioning of its sovereignty. Its rights, that country is challenged by American imperialism. So that is questioned by many poor countries. But Modi government, a lackey, a bootlicker of US imperialism, he is simply observing it. Admitting it. Second plane came today, Amritsar, 115, 119, how many? Again came. That also in military plane. But Latin American countries will not accept. In spite of that, in spite of the regime, Indian state being a lackey, because time constraint is there, otherwise I will explain. So a lackey of US imperialism, there also Adani, Ambani can be partners. They are also integrated with international capital today. That is why Adani can go to Iran, Adani can go to even Sri Lanka, to Nepal, anywhere Adani is in Israel, and anywhere Adani can go, Ambani can go, because they are integrated with us.